Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to design this modern wooden table with storage racks completely in SolidWorks step by step. If you are into furniture design, product modeling or improving your CAD skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create complex shapes using basic features, how to use Loft, mirror, extrude efficiently, and how to build clean professional looking model. So let's get started. So let's get started. First we are going to make a basic structure. So select a top plane and sketch, select rectangle, center rectangle, and the dimension of the vertical line and horizontal line, as you can see, 480 and 980, and select fillet should be 65 mm. Select boss extrude and the boss extrude depth will be 6 mm. I think it is 10 mm, and hit the green check. So this is the creation of our table. Again select chamfer, select 23 mm, and the degree will be 5 mm, and the flip the direction. Okay, so this is our foundation of our table. So now our next step is legs creation. Select this face and sketch. We are going to make a vertical support. Make two construction geometry. And the circle diameter will be 38 mm. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well. It really helps me. Okay, select boss extrude. Yeah, our four legs have been created. Now we are going to again select this face and make again 4 circle. I am going to changing appearances so it looks better. So this is a middle support rack. Okay, select vertical and horizontal line, make it construction geometry and mirror it. Okay, the next step is we have to convert all entities of 4 legs. Select all this and convert it, and we are going to thicken these things, make it 50 mm. Perfect. So this is the leg support or middle support rack, you can say. Now we are making a plane. Select this face and the distance is 160 mm. and hit the. So this is step number 4. Curve side face. Select center oblong or center slot. From this point to that point, the distance is 30 mm and the radius will be 34 mm. This gives elegant curved design, as you can see on my screen. So again convert this to circle as well and mirror it. Select all and mirror this. Perfect. And select boss extrude. Make it 50 mm. Sorry, 15 mm. Unmerge the result. So this is a two separate parts. And hide the plane. Okay, in the next step, select this face. Choose corner rectangle. Make it this line and make it construction geometry. This is a very important step, how I created this geometry, as you can see on my screen. Don't worry, I will help you step by step in this video. So the distance between this horizontal line to the origin point is 170 mm. Again vertical line will be 120 mm and the horizontal length will be 720 mm. As you can see how I created this geometry. Although this is not perfect, it should be done by various steps. Create a horizontal line and the distance is 140 mm. Now these are the very important steps to create a shape. Okay, so I'm going to use 3-point arc and the distance from arc point to this horizontal line will be 90 mm and again select a 3-point arc. Select this point and that point. Make it tangent. I made a mistake, as you can see on my screen. And the horizontal length will be 100 mm. I am going to delete this arc. Again select 3-point arc. Perfect. Select both and make it tangent in the relation. Now we have created 3-point arc, so we need to delete this and again we have to select another 3-point arc. Make it 2 arc must be in a tangent position, so the line will be smoothed. And the tangent point to the horizontal point, the dimension is 70 mm. horizontal also 100 mm and make it tangent, so the our sketch is fully defined. This is a spline shaped curve. I have used a 3-point arc. Now in the next we are going to select these two a tangent curve and make it vertical. As you can see on my screen, I have merged 2 points as well. So this sketch must be in a fully defined position. Again select a trim and trim it unwanted parts. The dimension is 50 mm. From this point to that point 520 mm. We don't need to define fully sketch define. Select those two circle and make it convert it so it can movable, and select all sketch we have created and select mirror entities and mirror this horizontal construction line. Perfect. Now use boss extrude. Select this and this, make it reverse and unmerge. Okay, in the next step, select front plane and sketch, make a circle, select the circle distance is 50 mm, still movable. Select circle and the diameter is 40 mm. From this point to that point we are going to make a construction line. Again select a circle and the diameter will be 14 mm. The distance between this point to that vertical line will be 70 mm, and make a construction geometry so the sketch is fully defined. Now I am going to use linear pattern. The quantity will be 10 and the spacing is 60 mm. Select this and select this and make it 32 mm. So our sketch is fully defined. Again I am going to use linear pattern. Select the quantity will be 50 and the x dimension is 50 mm. select normal and make it 102 mm. Now I'm going to use boss extrude up to the body. Select this direction to up to the body. Select this face. Perfect. Again select this sketch, choose extrude boss, select bottom circles we have created. Select this body and direction to also opposite direction and merge result or unmerge result, whatever you want to do. So this is a support rect, we can say. Okay, the next step will be I'm going to create a plane at a distance of 430 mm. I have selected face 2. Select plane 2 and sketch on this plane. Make it hidden line visible and select a circle. Select a line. Make 2 lines and the angle will be 45°. Here we are going to make a plane and some do fancy design in this thing. Select a circle and the circle diameter is 48 mm. Perfect. Select boss extrude, select circle and the boss extrude will be 7 mm. Make it reverse direction also. Again I am going to select a plane. I am creating a new plane. Select this line and this plane too. So I have created a plane. Again I am going to create a plane, as you can see on my screen. Select this face and make a plane and the distance is 18 mm. Select plane number 4, select sketch and make a circle. It should be above the baseline. And the circle diameter is 27 mm. Select this circle and this, make concentric, so our geometry is fully defined. Now I am going to use lofted boss base. Select these two edges and circle and hit the green check. Perfect. Select this face, again make a circle in the center and the diameter will be 20 mm, and select this circle and this, make it concentric so our sketch is fully defined. In the next step, I'm going to convert these entities. So select this edge and make it convert it. Select this face, bottom baseline. As you can see on my screen, this is a very important step, and make it convert it. Perfect. I have created, as you can see on my screen. Select plane 3 and make a sketch. I'm going to use a spline. Make a spline like this, make this and make it midpoint from this circle edge to this edge, make it midpoint, so the spline will be in the center position, and the both handle should be, one is horizontal and sorry, both handle must be in a vertical position, as you can see on my screen. Select this. Okay, now select this face and sketch and create a circle or convert it. Perfect. Select spline. This one will be vertical position, and the handle will be 150 mm, and this handle also 150 mm. Select lofted walls. Select sketch number 13 and select this circle and this circle. This is a center line parameter, therefore we cannot use guide curves. So I am going to delete, and I am going to use center line parameter. Perfect. Now hit the green check. Now I am going to use mirror. Select right plane and bodies to mirror. Carefully select this body we have created recently. Again select mirror and select front plane. Select these two bodies and mirror it. Now our fancy table has been created by using a SolidWorks 2026. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please highly recommend, please like video. And if you want a new tutorial, so comment below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.